Here we have a 2023, 2024 79 series dual cab. Front pair are fitted in forfeit all over steel grey sheepskin. So being an all over forfeit, sheepskin on the headrest, backrest face of the base, all the side skirts custom fitted to the shape of the 79 series seat in sheepskin. Also the sides and the back of the backrest, back of the headrest are all forfeit sheepskin as well. Customer has optioned a rear seat in two-tone canvas. That's grey sides, black center, grey on black canvas two-tone. Being a dual cab bench, separate headrest. Backrest can still fold forward. And little levers to tilt the complete seat up are accessible on the base also.